Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim. The Maverick is Ford's new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this model is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine with all-wheel drive capabilities, and coming with the tow package, giving you some greater capacity. Looking at the modular bed here, where you can scan these QR codes on this side to give you some ideas of what kind of stuff you can do with the space here. And it does also have the luxury package, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 in total with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, and you can lift these seats up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal these deep storage bins underneath, which are also part of the flex bed system, where you can look at some stuff to do with that space. In the middle, you have a USB, USB-C, and 120 volt power outlet. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, my view, your audio, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have a little cubby, and to the side, you have a little cubby. Moving down, you have your media controls and hazards, and moving down further, you have your climate controls here with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay warm. Below that, you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge. And you have this little tray cubby area where you can put your phone or something. You've got your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient. 2 cup holders, parking brake. Before I forget, you do also have a trailer brake controller here as part of the 4K tow package. And moving back to the middle, here you have your drive mode selector. So you have normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport mode. And then you have your traction control shut off, brake hold, auto start stop shut off, another little tray, two more little trays, and a center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.